The Subaru Impreza III from 2007 to 2013 uses a manual dimmer control to adjust the brightness of the instrument cluster. This system involves a rotary switch that directly controls the backlighting of the gauges, making it straightforward to use. The dimmer differs from newer Subaru models that use digital controls integrated with the infotainment system. Here, the switch is located on the dashboard near the headlight controls. Understanding this manual system ensures safe and comfortable night driving by allowing proper adjustment of gauge visibility. The electrical connection from the dimmer switch to the cluster is simple and reliable. The dimmer switch is a rotary knob typically located on the dashboard, usually near the headlight controls. Its exact position may vary slightly depending on the model year and trim, but it's generally easily accessible to the driver. To increase brightness, rotate the dimmer knob clockwise. To decrease brightness, rotate the dimmer knob counterclockwise. The cluster may automatically dim slightly when headlights are turned on, but you can manually override this with the dimmer. This electrical connection allows the dimmer to control the instrument cluster brightness. The dimmer switch operates as a rheostat, a variable resistor that controls the voltage supplied to the instrument cluster's backlighting. Turning the knob adjusts the resistance, which in turn changes the brightness of the gauges. This variable resistor symbol shows how the rheostat works. The arrow represents adjustment that changes resistance in the circuit. In the electrical system, the dimmer connects to the vehicle's circuit, regulating power flow to the cluster. Turning the knob clockwise increases resistance, reducing voltage and dimming the gauges. Counterclockwise decreases resistance for brighter display. A common issue with the dimmer switch is wear over time, causing the instrument cluster to stay at maximum brightness or flicker unexpectedly. This typically happens due to mechanical wear on the switch contacts. The electrical circuit connects the dimmer switch to the instrument cluster, and when the switch wears out, it can interrupt proper voltage regulation. If you notice this problem, the dimmer switch likely needs replacement. Regular inspection every 50,000 miles can help prevent sudden failures and maintain proper cluster visibility. Proper adjustment of instrument cluster brightness is crucial for safety. The brightness must provide clear visibility of gauges without creating glare that could distract the driver. At night, dimming the cluster reduces eye strain by preventing the bright display from competing with dark road conditions. This helps maintain focus on the road ahead. The brightness should be adequate for reading important gauges like speed and fuel level, but not so bright that it becomes distracting or causes visual fatigue during long drives. Following these guidelines contributes to safer driving by maintaining optimal visibility while minimizing distractions from the instrument cluster. The Subaru Impreza III features a traditional manual dimming system with a rotary dimmer switch that adjusts instrument cluster brightness through a simple electrical circuit. In contrast, newer Subaru models incorporate digital instrument clusters with adaptive brightness controlled through the infotainment system. This represents a technological evolution toward automated, energy-efficient lighting that adjusts automatically based on conditions. For Impreza 3 owners wanting more modern features, retrofit kits are available to upgrade to digital dimming. These kits allow for app control and adaptive dimming, enhancing personalization and convenience.